In this tutorial, you will learn how to create Iman Gadzhi style grid background in Premiere Pro. After setting up your project, go under the Project tab and click right mouse button. Hover over the new item and left-click on Color Matte. Press OK and select a dark gray background and press OK. Change the name if you want and drag the color matte to the timeline. Now go to the Effects tab and search for Grid. Drag the effect onto the color matte. Grid is added to the video. Now go to the grid effect and change the corner point to width slider. This will allow you to modify the width. The higher the value, the more the grid is zoomed in. You can resize it as you wish. Now change the blending mode to overlay and reduce the opacity to 90%. Now go to the Effects tab, search for Ramp, and drag the effect onto the video. Go to the Ramp effect, make sure Linear Ramp is selected. Now change the Blend with Original to 90%. You can change the color from white to your liking. You can also add noise to the video. Go to the Effects panel, search for Noise. You will find noise under Noise and Grain. Double-click on the noise effect to add it to the video. Change the value from 0 to 15. You can see that the noise is added in the video, which looks nice. For the final touch, go to the Effects tab and search for the Turbulent Displace. Double-click the effect to add it to the video. As you can see, the grid lines have become distorted. You can change the displacement from turbulent to a few different effects. Each effect will create a different kind of distortion on the lines. After selecting your desired effect, move the playhead to the start and click on the evolution options. Add a keyframe for the random seed. Now move the playhead to the end and change the random seed value to a higher number. Now let's see how it looks. You have successfully created the Iman Gadzhi grid background. Let's make it a little slower. The higher the value, the faster the movement of the lines will be. And that is it. Thanks for watching and don't forget to subscribe.